Okay, so today we're going to be learning about how to read and write decimals to the thousandths. So our first problem says, a box is filled with 1,000 cubes. Carter picks out 7 cubes. How can he show that he chose 7 out of 1,000 cubes as a decimal? Okay, so we could write this as a fraction that he chose 7 out of 1,000. So let's write that. He chose 7 out of 1,000. Okay, that's how we can write that as a fraction. We can also write this using place value. And a decimal place value chart can help us. Let's use this one. So this is how we do our decimal place value chart. This would be the ones place. Then you have your decimal. Then you would have your tenths place. Then you have your hundredths place. And then you have your thousandths place. So this is ones. Okay, this is tenths. Notice the TH. This is hundredths. TH. And this is thousandths. Okay. So here we're looking for 7 out of 1,000. So how do we write that? This can be written like this. Notice that the thousandths place is 3 places over to the right. So I would put zeros in all of my other places because I have 0 ones, 0 tenths, 0 hundredths, and 7 thousandths. So that is how I would write 7 thousandths. Try another number. How could I write 222 out of 1,000? So here's 222 out of 1,000. How could I write this as a decimal? Well, this is read as 222 thousandths and is represented by the decimal 222 thousandths. If you remember from our place value chart, this is the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths. So wherever that last number lands is what I say is my decimal, 222 thousandths.